Okay, we're going to do some sounds and a story one of our managers here made. This is the groundhog, and we made him for this February. We have the extra day, so we're calling it a Groundhog Day. So here's some words, and they're both the vowel sounds. The blends are in brown, so it's ground, hound, mound, underground, pound, round, sound, and this is loud. This is an exception. It's loud without the OU. So it's Groundhog Day. Look, there's a groundhog. He is fat with toes. He goes under the ground. That is why we call him a groundhog. The groundhog lives under the ground. He digs a tunnel. The tunnel looks like a funnel. Look at Gene, the groundhog. He has toes that have nails, yet he does not move like a snail. He lives under the ground. He sleeps underground. He can be dirty because he sleeps near his poop sack. He stores food near his poop sack. Gene the groundhog makes a quiet sound when he is underground. He is not loud, but he stores food underground without making a sound. Gene is also around Groundhog. His friend Steve is loud. He is not friends with Harry the hound. Harry is loud. He lives near the mound, near Gene's underground. Gene the groundhog and Harry the hound do not make a sound when Billy the bear is around. Gene, Steve, and Harry hide near the underground mound and do not make a sound when Billy the bear is around. They remain near the mound that is near the underground. So those were our syllables and for today, and just one syllable today, and just the OU sound. You can download this, and if you can't, you can always play it for ow, ow, ow sound. Help children spell. Thank you.